Learn how to authorize third-party entities on CorpPass in less than 3 minutes with Forbis Accounting. To authorize third-party entities, go to corppass.gov.sg and log in using your CorpPass credentials. Enter your mobile OTP and click Submit. You will arrive at the CorpPass dashboard where you can scroll down and click on the Third-Party Solutions tab. Click on Authorize Third-Party Entities to begin authorizing Forbis Accounting. Enter the UEN of Forbis Accounting and click Search. Scroll down, check the box next to Forbis Accounting and click Next. You'll see a list of services that your company has authorized in CorpPass. In this case, we are authorizing Forbis for CPF and IRAS related services to handle payroll and tax. Check the boxes next to the services that you wish to authorize Forbis for and click on Next. You will arrive at a details page where you will have to enter details such as the authorization date, the authorization expiry date, which is optional, and the role that Forbis plays in your organization. The following are some examples of the options that you will need to set before you can submit for authorization. Hit Next, and if you have not entered the information correctly, the system will prompt you with an error message and a highlight to show you where you made a mistake. Once everything is correct, click on Next and it will bring you to a review page, which will allow you to review the permissions that you are granting Forbis in your organization. Check the entries, and if all of it looks good, click on Submit. All done, you have authorized Forbis Accounting as your corporate services provider. You can now return to the home page to perform more transactions or log out after your session. Thank you for watching. Please visit https://forbisaccounting.com for more information and to engage us as your preferred corporate services provider.